Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today, my girls are ready for their alterings for the Dolls Gone Goth Angry Bridesmaid. Gothea and Nicole are not interested in these bridesmaids' dresses at all. Our lovely little bride is trying to decide, is she leaving her dress full length for the bubble look or the cake look actually, or is she gonna take that up a notch of lace? I do want to let you know that this is the last month, at least for a while, that we will be doing the Dolls Gone Goth challenges. So I hope you all will join in and you can do anything for your angry bridesmaid. The idea is the bridesmaid hates the dress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel and for participating all these months in the Dolls Gone Goth challenges. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.